The critical care block, the CCB, that is coming up at Neigrihms is a 150 bedded project, and this is under the PM Abhim Yojana, and this is for ensuring that we have a facility to combat contagions like COVID or any other serious infectious disease in case there is an outbreak without affecting the routine hospital services. So this will be a standalone critical care isolation kind of thing. Now this project has been delayed for a variety of reasons, but is coming up now, and we are hopeful that it should be completed by the end of this year. So we are looking at sometime end of September or October and hoping that it comes up pretty quickly. This is a, like I mentioned, 150 bedded project. Comes to on 120 odd crores right now. So over 5 years, I think it's 180 crore outlay. The current lot we have 120 crore project which is currently being constructed. So once done and with the equipment in place, it should be around 120 crores. I have not included escalation.